This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by BetBards. Wow! This completely rehabbed home feels brand new and is totally ready for its new owners. When you pull up to the long driveway, you will notice the great curb appeal due to exterior renovations, which include arch roof, less than 5 years old, new windows, new gutters, new shutters, new front railings, freshly painted steps and skirt, and a covered front door. All new HVAC system, forced hot air natural gas heat/central air, was installed in Deck 2021. The minute you walk in, you will feel the custom quality of the rehab. Whole house freshly painted, new luxury vinyl plank flooring in kitchen, great room and dining room, new carpet in bedrooms. The kitchen features newer custom cabinetry, new granite countertops and newer stainless steel appliances. Bath west/porcelain tile flooring and new vanity. Primary bedroom is large. Separate laundry room. In the spacious backyard is a 320 square feet detached garage with electricity. Fantastic location close to Interstate, military bases, shopping and entertainment. For more information, review the details below.